Adia ba kone hia se adopa awia ene anajo ya na obisa ho se nyame ben ena me de me ho me were makoma madwene me nipadua me de ato ne soi oye obotentim oye tetebotan ana se oye nyame a watwemu ayo nyame a oye adwuma mbrebi na ugyan ne ma ewa kwawie asase so ene anopa ya wada nyamete asefo aya mame no mienu ye de ya boy adwene po ne ye hono nyame a oye tetebotan oye tetebotan oye tetebotan oye tetinyame oye tetebotan oye tetinyame ebi ewunim se nyame a betimi kamfo no e de ma wo se enka wo de wo were ne wakoma ne woni padua ebeto no so waye bone se de be na obasa nyame tu asefo e ho a oye no kwafo ye tene ni se ode obone nyina be chew na wasa wo yare wanyina so e de afri ho no oframi Yaw Owusu Ansah obetumi afre wo nua ne wadamfo be na mene wo no sande pakro no ye nyina ya som awurade ene ya wade ebi ane nenzo so your birthday makwanya be mu abetumi gina fidie so na mene wo nyina yatime asom iti obetumi asande wudi ene oni akro ne birthday no so Only on a birthday, no, as I say, 0509 15 10 10 0509 15 10 10. Yerade aka fa se obeye wo me ne wo mie no ho no be de mi nem se obeye numere enwoma ne se etie duo no me yensa se onyame onye nipa onyame ontise nipa nyame nye nipa nyame ye nyame ye nyame ntino de waka fa me ne wo mie no ho no obeye oye no kwafo ena osofo ba e kana sa no oye no kwafo ebia wo so da ye bi da ye no kire se ne nyina giegu na asrei nyame ye no kwafo oye no kwafo abusia nyame ye no kwafo eti obetumi ama won saso na ne na kasa se nyame menem so wo de oni bibia ka enka bibia nyame menem so ye no kwafo de menemo de me fam nyina no me de menem se wo ye no kwafo nyame enka bebre no waye mfom so nyame ye no kwafo awo no mo ye no kwafo adwuma no mo ye no kwafo abrabono a atete apansam no awurade ye no kwafo. He is righteous God and he's faithful. He's righteous and he's faithful. Mamo Facebook ayo ade ato no me de ama odada entino de obetumi ayane se baby awo ne me ensom free no krobe so na wona me ensom efree and mo asede bia na ozoso twiregu ho no se nyame woye no kwafo menim se wewrade woye no kwafo menim se woye no kwafo. I know that you are faithful, God. Oye obutentim nyame enno menim se me de wo ka me ho mahwe ase mi pra mamane sikasem sujasem mawosem menem se wawrade wo kame ho wo ye tete botan me de me ho nyina me de to wawrade wo yeso wo se nyame ya adom a efreju ada ye mai enketua na bekwa akoye ensohwe empanyefo na ye omo de awie aba betena fie betwen wo mo ensohwe no emu aye. BC, it is going to start from Monday, right? Shall see a Juada. Shall see a Juadan Tino. You know, you are said yes, I will for say it to me, they may echo Yameti as a phone enemy. It's a women down upper. Right? Even down up. Yade yane and Kurana bebompa. It is and Kurana bekwa kusia dia. Wo and na se ja o ejuma yese. Ubabi chinemo diama and mofrano. Ye we diama mofrani nti. Amenka twere kronkron ba ku bi na te ase de me kan ne hono se me no mi no ye wo ya sede efa ye ma ho ye wo ya sede bosome nyina no ye de asi ho e de ama ye mai se ye no mo e bompai ye ka insurance e de ego ye mai so ete me kan twere ba kon na me de amausa inyina so no wahunu say we have a responsibility, we have a duty, we have a cause. Ye we adwuma say ye ma yinti mame emfa honoma ento ne say na menkenkan na kakra emfa emma. Sorry kikem anajo. Odesio mo emfiti ase hwie wakoma guse ensio awrade enim woma emotofo akra enti ma wonsa so kyere awrade na watoto ekom ano epiti embrono enyina eti sore na ekekam anajo Odesio emfiti ase hwie wakoma mu egu se ensio Awurade anim. Hwie wakoma gu se ensio Awurade nyame etiasefo no anim. Obi bisa se he na okenkan ade afri ade maye enana pay. Mekenkan free lamentation Jeremiah kwadwom. Lamentation Jeremiah kwadwom no say ne chichemu etimiye no chichemu a aya edunkro no say arise, cry out in the night, in the beginning of the watches, pour out thy heart like water before the face of the Lord. Lift up thy hands towards him for the life of thy young children that faint for hunger in the top of every street. Arise and cry. Sorry nakikem. Sorry nakikem. Anaju de siyomu anasa homachie ti say no. Odifo Jeremiah. Ekasa chirene se womenti. Menda. Womenti. Menda. And now, so for the sake of your younger children, womanke to an inti, wama woman ya baby fa woman nine NC yenti, one kase proper onsa never show them fem. Neighbor must say sorry na kikem, and anajo or the shio infitiasie by the clock of the watch. By the clock of the watches, and your watch crack watches, check your time, and then arise and cry out in the night, in the beginning of the watches, pour out thy heart. Shie wakumamu eni mafaguo. Wase nye wuwinti, enye mame, enye papa, enye wajuma, enye wawadie. Pour out thy heart like water before the face of the Lord. Lift up your hands towards him for the life of your young children. For the life of your young children. For the life of your young children. Or bad time biara, bema time biara. Kwadjum, lamentations. Sorry kikem. Eto brebi na se, ye fro, ye call for such assignment. How do you say? I saw for the crowd of empire. Nimena winim. Sorry na kikem. Anajo the siom emfitiasie hie wakuma guse ensio. Pour out your heart like water. Dem se womenti ya wetimi anya bre ehwie wakoma gunya meti asefo nanimu a asa wadwene Ghana mrantie ne maba wa ho be menu nti wetimi ahwie wakoma agunya me ne weti se ensuo ana ase wanya sa adwene ne akoma no for the sake of your younger children. Pour out your heart for the sake of your younger children. Womenti. What do say bimon emma ewie suku omunye adwuma enyeye. What do say ade? What do say binomo emma ena free SAH abasukrano. Free senior abasukrano ebima. bono. Echire kamia yese eni daachi papa bi ewe animu. It was a sorry na kikem anajudasio. Hie wakuma guse ensio ewurade anim. Banka se complain. Hie wakuma gu nyame anim. Se ensio ewo nyame anim. Pour out your heart. Arise and cry. Not just say woda. Na judasio nyina ram. Eda ka won session demri famwa. Asamba to daache. We are bem one can say a mao and one can say mema or simma a Johnny Nanum and sorry na Yankee come. Arise and cry. Arise and cry out. Sorry na kikem. In the beginning of the watches, pour out thy heart. Minimum how many times we share wa kumemun sem edia gunyame name on behalf of your children. Was you a monkey to a mama tofua? O mama tofua a cranty. O maninti was a manda. And I don't pay Bempasa Bada. What's sorry, dear? But I was able to be a sorry. Nazos one share done sorry. I was soon sumu. I was Hunuyemu. No one to be discerning. It was a sorry, Nekikem, sorry, Nekikem, sorry, Kikem, on behalf of your children. Womaninti. Womana Kranti. And then minimum matter do, but write their names and begin to cry unto the Lord. Sufre rade on behalf of your children. Sufre rade na obejo so on behalf of your children. Sufre rade na rade ebejo so. Baby, I will be away your mommy, where your papa, where your auntie, and could I be a 2 1 chain? Sufre rade na rade bejo so on behalf of your children. Was it one man inti? It is our body ajua, obada ya, obada ya, obada efia, obada akosia. Cry out unto the Lord on behalf of that children. But woman di, sufre radi on behalf of those children. Sufre radi on behalf of those children. And kwadano enti. What is it? And Quadaninti, and now no pay me person who suffer a rade on behalf of those children. It told me now, Obon Quantity, one man. Now, we share warm our the same, or Homusuku some. Now, you are my Juma, yes, someone. We share warm wa bruchira. Lord, Mamma Manonia. We share warm my, you know, some a Kosua Brabuma. We hear a backbone, a prayer strong force. In fact, your children, they need a strong prayer force backing. Over here, pa, it's a lamentation. Jeremiah, quite Jumana say, it will your bad tire, menda, sorry, Nakikem. Cry on behalf of your children. Cry. And I want you to cry on behalf of your children. Menka say you did it. But what to come, what to basim, what to trotrum. You can cry, you can call on the name of the Lord. Sufrano. Was your rather me baba yinti, me babranti yinti, ayuanti, Joshuanti, Quabranti. Adjuanti, Radi means Sufra and Yawade. I cry, but see, Sufra Radi, a say, woman matafua, woman matafua, woman and the Amabia at Chichi, woman, they are hungry, woman succumbi the warnum, woman was woman to be at Tany baby, almost woman to be Drew baby. Was it Nanso so say, would it wow, dear Quadani Berry, don't just leave. Menga so 6 time no oh aban be ya Debbie was Debbie and Kurano they are hungry a combi the one. It was say a be ye dear. Now a bad da chebaya from dear. As I say war or bad time, bear matino. As I say was sorry how much. Now kick a mubun kotoje. Now say Rosie be now the overseer out the man in crowd. Now free rather say Raddy on behalf of my children. Rather me man name, me menumi, me may out do my Benjamin, and could I out do my Benjamin tea. Rather could I inti, I could I ocean dear won't rather me ba way ya, me shama, me be an mama four children. Umbia, we school, be the masters, Obia Yakuno. Very beautiful ladies. Very beautiful ladies. But husband doesn't come. And I know by your day. Massage today and your tray. Sorry, Naki come. Or the Sion Fitiasia. Here wakuma many wakumano kura mpofa wo maho. Many people they don't have the good heart for their children. When you kumano kura fa ne maho. Wo dia wawo ntafo wawo ahinasa wawo dia obawo but on shede ne akoma mane mano. It was a sorry na kikema na jude suo mu no. Nenya akoma wo de hwie. Pour out to your heart. Hwie and near be on behalf of your children. While I assume our mama, Kifako conference, one of the night, you dedicated the man Quadana, so be our Holland Action Chapel, and yes, will be for the Bambra. And you knew a man in New former picture, bra, and we stood on behalf of the children. Bene Prof. Nelson Boatin, and God did it. God did it. It is not a pay on behalf of the children, on behalf of our young. Bible no yes specifically say one might get one more of 20 woman in the among you, woman baby amoko. Woman are distracted. Ebi ma wiye school nanso so niema enkoyema ebi mo so kwa akotranso he onim de oba ba ya daache and it was a sorry na kikam so bad time sorry na kikam so be matai what a trot what a taxi and that is what you can do to me I yes say radi me de me ba woni mesro mentie me keke what a taxi what a trot no what a bus what a train mesro bia wa no say radi me yente me ma botofo ente me manke to yente me mankwada yente radi me daache wo hwe se ne ga na akoya wo fi se ya momba ya ma ye man daache a say de be sia ya afa say de Yafa, it's a radi me mayinti, a radi me mayinti, a radi me mayinti, a radi me mawadienti, a man quadani medura wadia swansan, one bompire mawo, a man quadano, a medru SHS and san wabompa, me mamma tofuenti, a radi I cannot keep quiet. I cry on behalf of my children. And every time I say, one man or more quiet, so on a Saturday, we are standing on behalf of them. We are standing on behalf of them. One mamma tofuenti, one man quadanenti, one man intino, I say, sorry, Naki come and I do the sium, sorry, Kikama. Sorry, Naki Kamo Efama Woma, and I don't pay my mouse. I'll say, baby, I will be on sorry, Naki Kamamba, sorry, Naki Kamamba. Show a man of that, show a man of down for phobia or more offer. Show a man of casa, show a dressing. The way I am more cover, the way I give, or my given the crowd dress of winning our house and beba. For then in your crowd by a casan or trip to us what they barber buffalo. Oh, mamma tough one into a mother chinty, one man quadan into us a sorry that kick him. Sorry, kick him on behalf of your children. Sorry that kick him. And now what day I can give you that opportunity by the grace of God. I'm a detail video say kick him win them one and never be a two gun quadano so there is something that kutian quadano dache said you be a winter bright or winter in your shining stars and so be to me a Gina Jeremiah said Yentimin Tenasa Yentimin Fire and she demri film Yentimin Tenasa Yenti Yentimin Tenasa microphone says 6 times by bet me a sorry na yet to me a Kikem. I like the way I'm all chile go Facebook, but I'm chile Kikem on behalf of your children. Sorry, na Kikem man kwadano. Why Kikemwa? That chenkoye ye. As of what yes, I don't know catch it. Sana children catch it. Sana children catch it. As of what they young corner, what they have a casapa. Sorry, Kikem.
And I do the swim fitias here.
And I do the swim fitias here. Clock of the watches.
Short time no, I was sorry, Kemwa. And your time one, as I said, will be added.
I knew. Nanophones will yet, Chuma.
That's right.
I was sorry. That's what you meant.
Your time one there, the pa. That's one fitias here. And you do a being. And I do me. Yeah, me fan says I would die. I feel and can add the pa. But and Quadani and one can say, won't you? The Emma dear Jeremiah was and as Ansan war become when also no can send be brief and send your mano and Nehemiah was an answer so and Quadana Dache I will any a seno who could to jar will be good form. Not just I will for sorry come on behalf of their children. And we saw mano and maybe it may not go on well, but some many papa sorry. Bibi besisa. Ma many papa sorry. And kwadaninti. Umotafwa krenti. Ena ready to for say. Chaunaso. Chaunaso. Nature
kwadanunti.
Se Bishop and kwalanu bedi ya. Esa wo sofa kakra.
And mu omo keke o me no ukuru na keke no agese ma wo keke and ni oba na nana nkese ma wo keke and kwada ni yiye yo wo mo mpuntuo wo mo kese ye enye senior HS ya mo mo free no wo betimi akwaba na enso so na bibi kutia wo mo daache it will rather say sorry
sorry
kikam
anaju da suo
bonkwara ni din kikam
but ye mu bebre sorry no ye yen sorry o ye mu bebre ye da hosa entino ma tiny bi kura ni baby on ma time potin akola ndi da but the suo fitin ase no apart from say wo kikam hwe baby akwada no da unim time kura wo ba no be da ye
sentino say hwe wo be kikam a fie wakoma eti wo akwada no wo wakoma mu and many people they don't have their children at heart oni ne ba no kura wo nakoma mu mema bebre awo omnu akwada no kura anka na plans ho akwada no nka na nsese ye ho nka ho wa ye no ntoto ye akwada no nka ho eva do pega na to ha no akwada no nka ho wo treka mu akwada no nka ho ba bi onam bi akwada but rather say so for a higher responsibility say a higher responsibility
umotafua krenti entino da jude suomu fiti ase no a esese wo da na nkwala ninti sorry na kikam sorry na wo bom na wo hwehwe makaisa mabrewa ye obia da fie wa ye din no no asori na onam na ohwehwe na ohwe dem no ohwe sei umotafua krenti sa wo hwe sa ne ansam na wadi ka keka ne bi ne se ose ma wani wakuru tua wisi nyekom wani wakuru tua wisi ma ne nyekom na kyerese wani ekonyam esese wani di nkwada na chi na umotafua krenti sorry nekikamu emankwalano enye wuwunti edu baby a se enam kora no enye mampanimfo bi ufa mankwala baby a waduri woda so ne nkwara epre enema bi sika sasa wo de be support nkwala no na de tontare akese hye na wanhwe yi a no wa yesa na wama enkwala no wo mo daache no wama abowo no enti enkwala no nti sorry na kikam
and ya wada no pe de ya no enkwada no nti modifo ba de ba ko be so na fe yemfa enkwada no nti yemfa nkonyame ya
papa nyame hwera pa ne topic a we treat who your bata na oda bebira wo ha o madaache uma enda efa unumumu a wo se nkora ne daache sorry waka sene papa e ka no 12 o'clock bompaye na nkwane ya chede yakopon de acha ye na won puntu no egina ye abatan ye so
wo de se wo da na jono kura se si ya sorry still FN was sign funny phone WhatsApp and why unnecessarily things. What is a dana John Kran went to me and Bible no show says sorry anajo anajo desume but when to me Kran wa de achi ya still I want you in man
Wada
eti ahonemu di onam ho na enso sunsum no wada
Omotafo akrenti ma wonsa so kire no not one kasa wuni
enye wunti
bankwala ni nti
sofo mese me kan twere ya na madwene ho enkwada no nti
papa
aya enkwada no nti enkwada na wade nti enkwada ni suku kuro nti enkwada na dwuma nti enkwada na da chinti sorry neki eti wo your mind na so man mote wonu ma anwene nkwada ho anyam betua wo ka wo enkwada no nti onyame pese agufobia leadership bia must think about generational leaders edikanfo omo beba no twene wo ho Papa sofo Papa sofo onyame edadwene no na so jabe ebegu yenso se yen sorry na yankekem on behalf of the children.
Enti nyame won a rule and na awofo ye wo yen rule. Yes, I see you play. Na esesen kwala nti wo ye affected. O betis obata bi ka se mampa ye mfiri nyina mfiri kwala yi. Me ho atete nyina me bentra. Yes, na a step in the right direction say wo menti wo be kire wo menti wo de wo yafunu beto wo menti wo be bom paye wo menti na
wo menti wo be jawe geto.
That's right.
Wo menti tomato and you need to sacrifice.
Sacrificial work.
Sacrificial work.
Because I do that so fit
was it Diana? And Quadanunti, I want to come so jail, but I'm Quadanunti.
I said, you know, I was with
the war horses will be and also count. I
said, what's that? I said, you know, I was with
and Quadanunti, and Kawadian, you obey to me a giant, but Yakwasiane for the sake of the children. The mamma was a munti. The mamma was a munti.
Muntimen Cobabia,
Muntimen Cobabia, and they are causing in a munti. All kind of maintenance, but I say yenti as a set of bad time be or sacrifice. Womanity, I didn't be a brand cow to me a giant, or for cow to me a giant. Banquadanity for the sake
of the children. Yeah.
And Quadani Dutch ain't. Original so on minds of society can focus. Me man Quada, I'm Wama Kusuku, a freer, and Quadanti, Moman and Mokakakra.
And that with the essay,
it is a good thing.
O name and a baby at Napi Friba. Yeah, Casse, Obia ya impo, Udia womb we try ye. Me Bresso, Mania, Sadi, with the bed day. Crack around there. And you know, so share opportunities are and what Obi Pastor Corano, a trunk and a chobos, a binance uncle. Me shaman, yes, a breach free no crano. Yeah, free, could I have breach free. Sure. When you have this opportunity, who will sacrifice kakra? Who be sacrifice? Ama akwadana nya baby agina no.
Abaya creating room. Once so ye bribi kakra.
Support.
Wan kasa ba na nye was wo maame eni enese. Wonni ne was say must sacrifice for the sake of the children.
I go.
Wouldn't know what say. And now my baba will be by me home, university. And I may be son, man, who did dear by my dream, or but dear ne papa and mamma, dear mamma, maybe Zebis and Sama, okay, canon seminar, or some papa from class 1, Ebbe Pimusama, university. One city crown, one fame would I make my brabo. What one city? What and I'm saying one day was my mamma and papa and woman Abom Hoka.
Cranity to say, yeah, almost to say, and a Father's Day next week in our
what's it? Up to me university. Up to me university. And yes, me papa couldn't go best Rami school or some yam a quasra. Now, me bisano, I was saying, nibi. And I'm saying, now, Enye baby na ko school na no. We say wa no tie. No tie so ma ko school say wie university.
Obo nipa de bebre mpese on be sacrifice ama wo ma. Lots of people don't want to sacrifice for their children. Omo sacrifice. Omo say akwala de winya wo no bishop. Say sacrifice will comfort. Say will comfort. Will sacrifice comfort no. E de ma wo ma.
Okay. Baby ya do do. Ya de be one pie. Ya de be one pie. Baby, I will be on a person, me no, yeah, on behalf of your children. Minimum manner at the end of the door. Me manner or manner minimum of the door. Minimum the more, you minimum in Swadi, who buy one say, one manner matter 20, one manner matter 20. Sorry, Nakikam. And then one day, Kaminumi, and you bet me a sorry, Kikemwa. Mr. Baby, I will be on a beer on behalf of the children of the nation.
And none of pay one guy, Yesu Dimo, Dawase, Emma, with the one trying, and none of pay, no, Erade Quajum, Nehemiah, Jeremiah Quajum, so Erade, Wakuma Sufra, Zion Baba Fasuo, Manisuan Sinisa Sutine, Ariana Jo, and Pahumi be Hume, the Mawan who are cruel, we see, and you found. Now was say Erade, Yamaya Sufra, Erade, and the pay. For on behalf of our children, when our hands Jesus Christ, university without work. Many people have completed polytechnic without work. Oh Lord, we pray you will have mercy on us in the name of Jesus. Next week, university of Matifi. Already found someone say you already in the mighty name of we pray on behalf of the children of this nation. We pray, oh God, we ask that you will guide them of Jesus. We pray in the name of Jesus on behalf of these children. We pray in the name of Jesus on behalf of these children. We prophesy on behalf of these children. On behalf of these children. We suspend it. We abort it in the name of Jesus. Our children in Jesus' name. We thank you, Lord. We bless you. You are changing things. You are restoring, oh God. Restore. 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 Restore.
sra ya mane da che awurade men to wo ntwene e wo sefo ne nya won e wo Yesu Kristo Nazareth litine emo na mebo empire.
Amen.
Abako shafare de coste. Okay, my time was so bad. Let me quickly phone yeah. Monfa you see monfa nguwe muso. This time radio stations and you know. My name is Stanley Ahen from Gomwa. Durampon. Happy blessed birthday to Mr. Bafo. He's a catechist. I was saying Joseph. Yeah, Jumans who are Catholic. Sorry, them. Happy birthday to lovely wife, prophetess Sarah Ya Jesua. Oh, I did making Kanamos more Fred Linus Sananya Day. Ya Jesua. Andam. I am Pastor Mike from New Russia, Dansoman. Good morning, sir. Please, I want to wish a happy birthday to Audrey Pokuya Boatin, Luton. Okay, Luton, get ready. We have an event over there. From Richard. Reverend Owusu Ansah, I kindly pray for my daughter who turned 5 years. Okay, my point. Maduna, yeah, King Kazukra, no more San Freso. More Fresos are better than my king. Okay, my point. Why? Thank you very much. From you, Ansah.
106.3 AM Top. Only God can stop us now. 106.3 FM. Jim FM 106.3.